You're ready to purchase in Medellin, but you just haven't found that right property. Today, I'm gonna show you a property that helps you decide. We are in Conquistadores, a sub-neighborhood in Laureles. We're gonna walk through a fully remodeled apartment on the 14th floor of this building right behind me. All of the information about this property is listed down below in the description. Follow me. You walk in, and the first thing that you notice is the space. This living area is open, it's clean. It has natural light coming in from the balcony and the window on this side of the apartment. The apartment is remodeled with wood laminate floors throughout. It's warm, modern, and easy to maintain. At 121 square meters, this apartment has room to actually live in. The living area also has its own air conditioning unit, which in Medellin is not something you take for granted. The large window and balcony allows for natural light to light up the apartment. Step out onto the balcony and you're on the 14th floor here in Conquistadores, overlooking the mountains in the background. This is the perfect way to start off your day. The kitchen was fully remodeled 3 years ago. The owners here that designed this knew exactly what they wanted and knew exactly what they were doing. The dark countertops run the full length with a gas cooktop built in. The upper cabinets are matte gray and the lowers are wood, and the marble effect backsplash ties it all together. There's also a dedicated laundry area with enough space for a dryer washer stack. And for those of you that have a live-in nanny, there's a maid's quarter at the end with their own private bathroom. First, we have the master bedroom. And honestly, this is probably where you make your decision. You have the mountain backdrop over here, a large window bringing in natural light, air conditioning in the bedroom. You already know what mornings are like in this room. The master has direct access to a fully built out walk-in closet. Hanging rails, shelving, shoe storage on both sides. It's a proper closet, not an afterthought. Then we have the master bathroom, a vessel sink, wood vanity with open shelving below, and a glass enclosed shower. The tile work is soft green, calm, and well executed. The black fixtures throughout tie it back to the rest of the remodel. Before we see the other bedrooms, we have the guest full bathroom. It's fully remodeled with large format tile and glass enclosed showers. It's clean and modern without being overdone. Along with this 3-bedroom apartment, you have this den, currently set up as an office space, even a TV room. The space here adapts well for whatever your needs are. Then we have the first guest bedroom. It has good size. The wooden floors continue here. This is the perfect room for any invited guest to stay over. This room has enough space for a queen bed and a workspace, which matters if you're working remotely. Then we have the second guest bedroom. This one has a more calmer feel. It works as a kid's room, a nursery, or a second guest space. Just depends on what you need. If you're still deciding on the decision to buy an apartment, then this one that we saw today possibly could be the answer to your decision making. All of the details for this property are down below in the description. When you're ready to purchase in the next 30 days and you have a budget of $150,000 or above and you want to work with our proven system, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Click on the link and someone on the team will reach out to you, and we'll see you guys in Medellin.